Hi Taurus. Taurians, we start this month with a beautiful Venus transit that's covering a part of your chart that has to do with education. It has to do more so on the primary education, say from standard 1 to standard 12. It also has to do with your past experiences, which have to do with your growing up or your school memories per se. It seems that a lot of you are going to be getting together with friends from the past, especially your friends from school. It also has to do with your perceptions of what you may have acquired the time that you were growing up. It also speaks of letting go of either prejudices or I think things that you have grown up with and you don't want to let go of them, and they stem primarily from the time that you were quite small. This aspect in your chart also, Taurians, talks about a lot of travel, and it's speaking about domestic travel and short distance travel, but travel which would do you good. Taurians, it's a great month for you as far as your work is concerned. I think a lot of you are going to be or have been rather since the last couple of months going beyond the brief, so to speak. A lot of you have been involved with a lot of creative work at your workplace. You have been looking at creative solutions to sort out old problems, and you are now being looked upon at your work as a troubleshooter, so to speak. This month also we have yes, there's a lot of retail, heavy retail purchases that seem to be being done towards a lot of retail therapy. So try not to go overboard. Try to some amount of it is good. I think some of you are trying to do some self-pampering, and rightly so. I think a lot of you quite deserve it after like I said, a lot of you have been working quite not just extensively, but there seems to be a lot of long hours being put at work, and this is a time where either you will be gifting yourself something nice, maybe a small treat for yourself, maybe maybe just a day for yourself at the spa, or maybe buying a equipment or a gizmo that you've been eyeing for a very long time. So it's a good time for some retail therapy, but try not to go overboard nonetheless. This is also a great time, Taurians, to be smoothing things out, not just at your workplace, but also with your personal relationships. It's a good time to be sitting and addressing things which you have sort of pushed under the carpet till now and thought that they would either go away with time or maybe lose that intensity that they had earlier. It also is a good time, however, not to ignore it much longer. It's a good time to bring things out in the open, really. It speaks about addressing things. It speaks about being able to put your perspective up front, and it would be accepted and be heard in the right way. I think all throughout a lot of you have been quite concerned about not being understood. Is the reason why you've not really addressed this particular issue, whatever it is that has been bothering you. At your workplace also, it is a great time, Taurians, to be smoothing the feathers. So if you have been having a bit of a tough time with a certain colleague, and if you have been wanting to sort of wave the white flag, I think it's a good time to be really waving it nicely in front of that person and making that effort. I think it's a good time to be proactive. Don't just wait for people to come up to you to sort things out for you this month, Taurus, because you will be well received. Don't worry about being snubbed, and try not to take yourself so seriously this month, Taurus. I think it's a time for some amount of fun. It's a time for some amount of partying and somewhere I think over the last couple of months, either your personal issue, something that has been bothering you a lot and your inability to sort it out, and your work pressure has together been sort of, it is just, weighed you down, and you have been I wouldn't say punishing yourself, but you've been sort of denying yourself treats and telling yourself that no, when it gets sorted over, I'll do this. When this gets sorted over, I'll be a little easy on myself. But along the way, it's important to have fun. I think that's the key thing. Don't forget to have fun. I mean, stuff always happens, and that's how the universe operates. So don't take yourself so seriously again this month. It's a good opportunity for you to network with like-minded people. It's a great time for you to be acknowledged for your work at your workplace. So some amount of accolades for you over there, some recognition of the work and the value that you bring on the table. And like I said, on your personal piece as well, it's a great time for you to be really talking things, addressing all the issues that have been there. End of the month, yes, you seem to be also looking at buying some property. You seem to be wanting to not just invest. I think that it has some amount of a focus either on a previous property that you have bought, and that seems to be some amount of a concern. You are either you're wondering whether you should let go of that particular piece and buy it at a place which is more closer, convenient for you, or some amount of a focus on a leasing, buying, selling of a property. So again, try and be careful, and try and not to be emotional about the entire deal or the purchase or the decision that would involve around this particular deal. It is also a great time that, oh yes, a lot of you are going to be coming across somebody who's going to be very charismatic, is going to be very attractive, and especially for those of you who are single, I think it will be sort of a karmic attraction. A lot of you will come across somebody either through your workplace, or could be through your friends. It could be an acquaintance, and you would feel this intense attraction. You would be very intensely attracted to this person, both emotionally and sexually, and it's nice, it's good, because I think after a long time you have again sort of not been wanting to get involved, but with this person coming in, I think you would just want to share it all, and it would be like I said, it would be something nice. But again, on the commitment piece of it, Taurians, I would say that before you really jump and start having fantasies about running to the altar, give it some time. Give it some time for all the intensity and all the passion and all the connection. Give it some time and see how it goes. So overall, a great month for you, Taurians. It's a brilliant work month for you. It's a great time also to be taking care of your health, and I think a lot of you have already in the past few months become very conscious, if not of your exercise, but of the diet. What is the kind of food that you're consuming? You're very careful about what is it that you're eating. So this is again a great month for you to be refocusing it on yourself, on not just looking good, but also feeling good, and physically staying fit. I think it's something, again, a great 6th. We have Mars, which is joining with Neptune, and it's quite a paradox of sort. While you have Mars, which is the planet of aggression and fire and zest and verve, and you have your Neptune, which is a very dreamy planet, and Neptune is going to be making you quite compassionate. So last week of August, we'll see you maybe either being involved with with an NGO, or wanting to do something or make a difference in some small way on your own. you seem to be quite, I think, affected or driven by a desire to help. Yes, I think that is something that you would be doing as well. So overall, a great month, Taurians. Have a great August. I'll see you again in September, and thank you so much for watching.